Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a photo to a Canva resume. So adding a photo can help make your resume look more professional and organized, especially if the design includes a profile picture section. Let's get started. So let's begin by opening your resume in Canva. So on the left side of the screen, click on Uploads, then select Upload Files and find the photo that you want to use on your device. Select it and click Open. So wait for a few seconds while the image uploads to Canva. While your photo is uploading, click on Elements from the left menu and search for Frame. You'll see different frame shapes appear. Choose the one that you want to use, such as a circle, then drag it onto your resume. Resize the frame and place it where you want your photo to appear. So once the upload is complete, go back to Uploads, click and drag your photo into the frame, and Canva will automatically place it inside. And if needed, you can adjust the image so it fits the frame the way you want it. That's all you need to do to add a photo to your Canva resume. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.